7. maijā uz Latvijas kinoteātra ekrāniem savu pirmizrādi piedzīvoja jauna romantiska komēdija ar nosaukumu Rezerves plāns. Un galvenajā lomā ir mums visiem jau tik ļoti pazīstamā Dženifera Lopesa. Pēc gadiem ilgušiem attiecību mēģinājumiem un neskaitāmiem randiņiem Zoja ir nolēmusi, ka īstā vīrieša gaidīšana un meklēšana vairs nav priekš viņas. Tomēr viņa vēlas mazuli un vēlas audzināt to viena pati. Vienīgā problēma – atrast piemērotu kandidātu. Un, protams, kā jau šādās komēdijās, kandidāts atrodas ātri vien. Un šajā filmā viņa vārds ir Stens, kurš ir jauks, vīrišķīgs un šķietami piemērots kandidāts, bet, protams, ka kā jau dzīvē, nekas nenotiek tik viegli un raiti, kā gribētos.
You're one of my best friends. Don't you want to help me? I mean, we don't have to have sex, all right? Just, will you be my baby daddy? You know, I just always thought I'd be married with kids by now, but I still haven't found the one.
The elusive one. Good luck.
Guess it's time for my backup plan.
Are you high? It says here he has red hair and freckles.
I have a feeling that you and CRM 1014 are going to make beautiful babies together. Whoa, you don't have to walk like that.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Hi.
Get away from me! Oh, excuse me. I didn't see you.
I saw you see me.
Forget it, I'll get out. But not because you're right, but because I'm in a terrific mood and you're ruining it.
Here's that guy. He's hot.
Hi. Did you follow me here?
Follow you?
Okay, now this is getting weird.
I know, we keep running into each other. It's crazy. What are you doing tonight?
You gonna see him again?
Think so. I'll call you.
I'll wait by the phone.
But what if I'm pregnant? Give me that. Let's go right now!
Congratulations. How are we feeling?
We're freaking out!
Jauks cilvēcīgas attiecības. Dzīvē tā gandrīz nemēdz būt. Atrodiet kādu tādu vīrieti, kas kaut ko tādu spēj dabūt gatavu.
Viņa bija mazliet смеклīga un pat ar tādu варварски. Она была как-то одновременно смешная, как бы полезная для будущих родителей, потому что это необычная ситуация была для того, что мужчина согласился воспитывать чужую двойню.
Kā jūs vērtējat Dženiferu Lopesu kā aktrisi?
Kā viņa labi tēlo savu lomu, un viņa izjūt to lomu, viņa spēlē, kā tev pati dara, kā tas ir ikdienas dzīve viņai.
Kā jums patīk šī filma?
Es domāju, ka viņa bija puišiem ļoti nepatīkama.
Kāpēc tā?
Tāpēc, ka, nezinu, man likās tur pārāk pārspīlēts viss viņa. Bet, labi izklaidi.
Un kā jūs vērtējat Dženiferu Lopesu kā aktrisi?
Varbūt nav tāpat spožākā, bet ir ok. Skatīties vēl.
Zoe is a kind of a modern woman. She's independent. I think she gets to a point in her life where she realizes maybe I'm not going to meet the right person and I really want to have a family. I really want to have a child. Hi.
So she gets severely knocked up by, severely, like there's degrees. But she gets very pregnant.
Hold on.
She gets artificial insemination.
That's it? What makes it a romantic comedy is that she runs into the love of her life the same day.
She rolls out of the clinic and jumps into Stan's cab. She might tell the story differently, but that's actually what happens.
He's such an idiot. Hallelujah! Oh, excuse me.
He was obviously there first.
Men, please get out of my cab.
Get out of my cab.
That's why women are having babies by themselves, okay? Forget it, I'll get out. But not because you're right, but because I'm in a terrific mood and you're ruining it.
It just so happens that the universe puts this guy Stan in her path. Really nice to see you. I never got your name. I'm Stan.
She meets Stan, who she kind of falls for, and he falls for her really hard, too.
The sort of traditional courtship, love, marriage, parenthood sequence of events has really been turned on its head.
They've got an absolutely hysterical relationship together.
I really want to kiss you, but it smells like cheese in here. They find out she actually is pregnant. There's something that I need to tell you. It doesn't go over well with the guys all the time.
I thought we were supposed to date for a year or two, then we'd get married, and then we'd have kids. I don't even know if I like kids.
I like this movie so much because it actually shows, the down and dirty.
What do you have there, son?
Poo-poo.
Charlie, Roxy, meet me at the bathroom.
you don't know where to go from there, do you?
We're doing that, okay.
Want more?
Yeah, a little more.
What always makes comedy funny is that there's some reality to it, you know, that's what makes people laugh. They're like, oh my God, that's so true. That just happened. I can't believe that just happened.
There's so many funny moments.
I guess you have to see the movie to see what happens.
You two should get in here.
Oh no.
Come on, it is really quite beautiful.
Shouldn't have seen that.
Cik zvaigznes no 5 jūs dod šai filmai?
4.
4.
Trešdien, 12. maijā, savu pirmizrādi uz Latvijas kino ekrāniem piedzīvos filma par Robinu Hudu. Visām dāmām par prieku, jo galvenajā lomā ir oskarotais Rasels Kraus. Taču jau nākamā sestdien, 15. maijā, kinoteātrī Rīga savu pirmizrādi piedzīvos pašmāju spēļu filmu Tas notika ar viņiem. Ir aizraujošs stāsts par 4 mūsdienu latviešiem. Kādu bankrutējušu miljonāru, stūrgalvīgu policistu, viņa ekstravaganto draudzeni un kādu atvaļinātu karēvi, kurš atgūstas pēc incidentu ārvalstu misijā. Kā jau to varētu gaidīt, filmā negaidīti savijās visu 4 varoņu likteņi, izraisot smieklīgu, komisku un pat bīstamu notikumu virpuli, kas, protams, pārbauda nevien viņu pacietību, bet arī izdzīvošanas spējas.